Welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many Ubuntu users face. So, the problem we're addressing today involves a sudden CUDA unresponsiveness, leading to a bugged-out resolution after a reboot. This seems to be a conflict between two Nvidia packages with the same version number, causing a headache for our system. Now, let's jump straight into the solution that was shared with us. By using the command sudo dpkg-force all ivar kashap tarchive nvidia kernel common 535_535.16 1.070 ubuntu1_nd64.deb followed by sudo apt fix broken install, we were able to resolve the package installation issue and get things back on track. Continuing with the solution, after running the commands, the next step was to verify the status of the Nvidia driver with nvidia-smi. This command provided us with crucial information like the driver version, CUDA version, GPU details, memory usage, and more. It's like peeking under the hood of your system to ensure everything is running smoothly. In summary, we successfully navigated through a challenging package conflict involving Nvidia drivers on Ubuntu. By forcing the package installation and fixing any broken dependencies, we managed to restore the system's graphics driver functionality. Remember, when in doubt, a few terminal commands can work wonders. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!